Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you the right way to send location on WhatsApp. So simply first of all, if you want to send your location, just go to settings and now here first of all turn on your location. And now after that you have to open your WhatsApp. Now here just open the contact that you want to send the location. So simply just after that click here and now just go to locations and now click on continue and now again click on allow only when using app. So simply just click on here and after that wait for few seconds, your location will be seen here. So simply after that just you have to click on send to your current location. So just simply click here and now your location has been sent. So now when other person will click on this, he will find your location. So in this way you can easily send location to any person on WhatsApp.